Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can find the ravens and Dress to Impress. So you're going to go to the very top floor here, and you're going to turn left instead of turning right, because the statues that are turning, actually it's different every time. So what you want to do is you want to turn the statue facing you guys. So for instance, I've turned this once. I'll need to turn it a few times here until it faces me. So it's actually random every time. I did not know that. But basically you're going to look for these statues that aren't facing you, and you're going to activate it so that it faces you. And then once you've activated every statue, you're going to go back to the middle to get your first raven. There we go. It's in the middle one here, as you can see. You're going to grab the raven and you're going to basically go down, and you're going to place it on the right one. This one's going to play hide and seek with you. You're going to go here first to these stairs, press it, and it's going to disappear. And then you're going to go to the right, and there's going to be a raven up here. Pick it up, and you'll see a raven here, and you can finally get that raven. And you're going to place it here. The last raven, you're going to go backstage here. Then you're going to do a little obby to get it, and you're going to go back here, and then you'll have all of the ravens. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.